Look. Look nila eh. Wow, ang dami.
Oh, this carton is so big.
Ang laki. Oh, it's really fresh and cool in our allotment. So yung guys, today now is mid-July. So it's mid-summer na. And guys, ang ating mga tinanim na halaman, vegetable ay hitik na sa bunga. Yan, Nina.
Yeah.
So many now tomatoes, so many fruits now, the berries, the corn. So happy tayo, happy. And si Nina when was the last time you were here? Sunday, yeah? Yeah, Sunday. And ang ating what's this? Sayote is taller than me now. So yung guys, we're going to harvest the berries, Nina.
The berries dead.
The berries and tomatoes, guys. Papakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kadami na ang ating tomatoes. Successful ang ating tomatoes and corn. And look, here guys, tingnan natin ang corn. Yan oh, nagba-brown na ang bunga niya. It means it's almost ready, Nina. Malapit na tayong magkaroon ng sweet corn. And look, Nina, ang ating, what's this? Runner beans. Yan oh, ang dami ng bulaklak oh. So Nina, ikuan, how beautiful the flowers ng runner beans. Yeah? Look. And here you see our dwarf beans, French beans they called.
Is this corn?
Yeah, sweet corn. Yeah. And yan oh, ang dami na ng ating runner beans. Nina, later we're going to pick this up. Look. Yan oh. And guys, look oh. Tingnan nyo oh, ang haba na ng ating sayote. Yan, sayote. Nina, mataas pa sa akin. Look, Nina. Come on oh. Yan guys oh. Grabe na. Ang taas na.
Sorry.
Anyway, March natin to tinanim. End ng March, pero hopefully magkaroon tayo ng maraming sayote. And Nina, we're going to harvest na this. We're going to harvest na. Come on. Yan guys, oh, gumugulang na ang ating I don't know how broad beans. Nina, come on, start to harvest. Do you know how to harvest? Yes, come on. Nina, hold this one. Oh yeah, hold this. Yan guys. I-harvest na namin ito kasi sobra nang
This is the biggest beanstalk.
gumugulang, pero masarap kahit magulang na ganyan na. Yan oh, sinasapaw ko sa rice. Come on, Nina. Yes. And then after this, we'll pick up mommy. Come on. This one we will take all. You don't know how to? Come on.
Wait.
Yeah.
Twist it.
Yes. Yes. And this one. Ayan guys, oh.
Runner beans.
Oh my God, napunot na. Nini, hold this.
Oh my God.
Hold
What
this.
did you
Nabunot
do?
na guys. Binunot na natin anyway. Kailangan
It
na.
can be only one harvest?
No, we harvest this already. But this is, it is no flowers now. No flowers now. Look. That's why. It will not, what's this? Hindi na mamumunga. This is the last broad beans. Yan oh. Okay. Let me see Nina.
Look, these are the two big ones.
Yes. And let's see. We'll check our tomatoes. Hitik na ang ating tomatoes.
Look, this is small one.
Yeah, it's more flowering. Yan guys. Ang dami. And look, Nina here, the giant. Come here. You see? Look ay, ang giant.
What?
They call it giant. Ang laki oh. Ang dami pa. And here, look. Ayan guys oh.
They look like pumpkin.
Oh. And this one. Look. And here. Look Nina, this side. Ang dami nating tomatoes. Yan oh. Ito yung pangsigang. And Nina, go that side. They will see now. Nahihinog na ang ating cherries.
Tomatoes.
Yes.
Can I pick one up?
We'll show it first. Look Nina.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at them.
Yeah.
See?
Try to eat. Try to eat one.
Okay.
Yes. Is it sweet?
Yeah, very sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
Yan guys, oh, ang cherries. Unang pitas namin ni Nine ng cherries. Ha? Tikman ko rin, ha? Yan guys, oh. Grabe. Ang tamis Nine. Tamis ano? Eat man. We'll give this to mommy. Unang pitas ng cherry tomatoes. Ayan o, ang dami pang bunga. Ayan o. And meron tayo dito pang bago pasunod natin yan. Nagpa-flowering na rin ha. Yan ang ating talong. Ang chili. Ayan. Nina here. We'll pick this up for mommy. These two. Other one, yeah. Yeah, the other one. We'll give to mommy. Okay? Yes. Yung guys, ang dami-daming cherries. Look, Nina, in few days, magkakaroon pa ulit tayo ng cherries. and next, what is next, Nina? This. Look guys, oh, ang dami nito oh. Nina, come on, come here. Yan guys, oh, ang dami na nating. Sanaya, come here. Yan guys, oh. Nina, start to pick up.
Wow.
Ang dami oh.
Oh my god.
How you can do? Yeah, one by one.
Wow, my
Ayan
god.
guys, oh, ang daming hinog na.
This is a good
This
harvest.
is the white berries. This is the white berries. Talagang, yeah, it's all ready now. Look, hold this Nina, hold this up. You stand up, hold this. The other one as well, yeah. No, this one will fall. I told you to hold this, yeah. And here as well, look. Ayan, no? And here pa, Nina. Look. Look, Nina. Wow, ang dami. Come on. Pick this up. Yan guys, so ang dami oh. So yan guys, mag-harvest lang kami ni Nine. At nahihirapan si Nine mag-harvest. Yan, lagay mo lang dyan. Yan ah. Ayan guys, ano masasabi nyo sa aming white berries? And Nine, tikman mo. Taste it.
Okay.
It's sweet. Yeah, it's sweet. Taste it. Huh?
Sour.
No. Let me see.
It's so sour.
No, guys. No. Bit sour.
No, yes.
But compared to cherry tomato, matamis ang cherry tomato. Anyway, pero masarap tong gawing. Nina, we make berries jam. Yeah.
I
Alright.
wanted to do that last year again.
And Nina is going to harvest now the courgette. Nina,
Okay.
do you know?
Yes.
No, that is the small one.
Oh.
That is small one.
How to?
No. You will destroy it. I will help you.
Wait.
Yeah, like this.
So,
Oh, I think better we use this like this, Nina. Yeah. Look. Wow, show it, Nina.
Wow! Oh, this
Ang
courgette
laki.
is so big.
Ang laki. Ayan no, may isa pa. How about here, Nina? We're not doing this. Look. Ayan no. Nina, come on. This one as well.
Okay. What's the
Huh?
tweezers?
No, don't worry. Yan guys, ito pa
Oh,
oh.
yes.
I-harvest na rin natin.
Can I do?
Look, come on, bot. Oh, di. And here pa. Yan, oh, ang laki nito, oh. Grabe, mas malaki pa rin to. Kaya lang, Nini, look, this one.
Oh my gosh.
No, don't harvest this. Don't
What?
worry. It's okay, we have two already.
Oh, yeah.
We have two already. And this side pa, oh. Meron pa dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, di. Ang dami. Mabilis mamunga nitong courgette. And Nina, we're going to get the beetroot. You right, mate?
Yeah, man.
Okay. And this beetroot, Nina, come on.
Can I want to harvest the beetroot?
Yeah, this one. Harvest this one. No, go there.
Oh.
Go there. Yeah. No, yeah, like this. Yes. And this one, Nini will harvest the beetroot. Come on. Yes. Look, show it. Show
I like
it.
beetroots.
Ang laki oh. Oh.
This one, look, there.
How about this? Nabunot mo na rin na rin. Come on, samahin na ito.
Early.
Oh,
Look, that one.
don't worry. Two only. We're not going to. Let me see.
Look, this one and
Oh,
this
dear.
one.
Come on. All right.
Yes.
And the last one we're going to harvest is this lettuce. Different lettuce, yeah.
I thought it was something else.
For sandwich, your sandwich.
What
Yeah,
does it
sarap,
look
oh.
purple?
It's purple lettuce. Ang ganda oh.
That's actually kind of crazy.
Huh?
That's crazy.
Come on, which one you pick up? This big one.
Wait, this.
This big one.
Yeah,
Look.
this one, yeah.
Come on, oh, pick it this like this. Here.
Wait, can
Do you think you can do? Yeah, no. Nina is harvesting. Yes!
strong.
Show it. Look, oh. Ang sarap niyan sa sandwich. Nina, you know, we put this on your sandwich for your pack lunch, yeah?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. That's it. Guys, ito yung aming na-harvest this afternoon sa aming allotment. This evening na pala. It's almost 8 o'clock na here. Yan, Nina. Look.
Yes, sir.
Lettuce, dalawang beetroot, and what is this? Look in that. Oh, the big courgette, zucchini. Hold that one as well. Hold this one. Yeah. Wow, like this.
This is the roots.
Ang dami. Ang sarap talaga ng may ano. And meron kaming broad beans. Yan o, broad beans. And yung pa nga, yung ating berries, white berries, and yung unang yung tamis dito, cherry tomatoes. Okay, Nina, don't damage that. Don't damage. We're going to eat that. Yeah.
All of this, what the?
So here you are, guys. Is hitik na sa bunga ang ating mga tinanim. I'm very happy. So simula pa lang to ng harvest season until autumn, until September mag-harvest tayo. So yun guys, ito ang advantage ng mayroong allotment, mayroong garden, vegetable garden, press to press ang iyong mga vegetable. Okay guys, thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Please lang guys, paki-press yung like button and paki-share na rin para mas maraming makapanood ng Bimbo Cornejo Vlog. Susunduin na namin si Madam Shama 8 o'clock. So guys, don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.